What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, kojic acid soap, skincare product reviews, how to grow longer hair, specifically 4C hair, protective styles for 4C hair, much more. Just how to glow the heck up in general. Alright, let's get into it. Speaking of glowing up, let's talk about the real Kojic acid ultimate illuminating bar. This is the fragrance-free version. This is the one that does have a citrus scent. These have essential oils. It's just that the one with the goat's milk, which I have here, this one is packed with more punch, if you will. It has the goat's milk, it has the citrus fragrance, and kojic acid soap all throughout the bar. This is going to be your extra strength version. This right here is for those who have more sensitive skin. It does have goat's milk in it, but it has less of the ingredients that you have in here. So this is going to be your milder version, if you will. Still absolutely beautiful. It's like a beautiful, like yellowish color. And then of course it has the green going throughout. And this right here has like a light orange and the yellow and the green. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, I have the scrub and the wash available as well. The real Kojic acid ultimate illuminating wash. What sets this bar or these bars apart from other bars is that, first of all, there's a lot in here. These are 6.5 plus ounces kojic acid soap bars, but not only do you have kojic acid in here, you have hyaluronic acid, which is good for anti-aging and glowing up in general. Like I said, you have goat's milk in both of these bars, and you have essential oils that are also very good for the skin. But again, you know what you are allergic to, what you're not allergic to. So please, all of the ingredients are listed, the full ingredients list on the site, the active ingredients, the inactive ingredients. Look at all of the ingredients and see if it is for you. I always stress that you must patch test before use. That's not just with kojic acid soap. That is with any skincare product that you are using. A lot of times we get hype and we're like, shoot, we just gonna go ahead and use this, especially if the reviews are good on something. But at the end of the day, our skin reacts differently to different things. What may work very well for one may not work for another. So be sure to patch test, whether it be inside of your elbow, inside of your knee, the inner part of your knee, the ankle, somewhere where you can kind of just test a small area and see if you get any irritation. From there, if you do not, then you can proceed to use it on your face and on the rest of your body. That is just what I wanted to come and talk to you all about. Yes, we have the shower gel. Yes, we have the scrub. And yes, we have the cream, which will be added to the site shortly as well. I want to stress kojic acid and all of your AHAs, period, these acids are exfoliating on their own. What does that mean? You don't need to overdo it. A little bit goes a long way. And you don't need to leave it on for no 10 minutes or anything like that. No, 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 no. You don't have to use this every day. In fact, I wouldn't recommend that you do. Once or twice per week is fine. If you have some stubborn dark areas, hyperpigmentation areas where you feel like you want to go in a little bit more and add an extra day, then I would say start off slow and then build. But this is not something that you need to do every day. Such is the case with the maca root extract as well. The recommended dosage is 30 drops per day. But again, especially if you are just starting out, you honestly don't need to do every day. 1 to 3 times a week is fine. See how your body reacts to it. This is something, if you read up on maca root, it says maca root helps with mood, energy, focus, much more. Helps balance hormones, many, many, many things. But you still want to start off slow because you do not know how your body is going to react to something. You want to add that 30 drops per day to your juice, water, smoothie, milk, tea, anything like that, any of those beverages. I wouldn't say coffee because coffee is something that already does give you a pick-me-up as well. With this, I don't need any coffee or anything like that. This is going to give you what you need just by taking it. Natural, superfood, organic, and vegan. So you don't even need the caffeine with taking the maca root extract. But these are just some things. In general, a little for all of these things goes a long way. If you are going to use it, and like I said, start with once per week, that's fine. Build yourself up to maybe 2 or 3 times a week. And you have to properly moisturize with these things. You cannot just be going in and not properly moisturizing, or adding here and there to oils that will lock in that moisture, and lotion such as aloe vera, shea, anything like that that is going to protect your skin, and of course a sunscreen. Not anything that has too many things or hormone disruptors in the sunscreen. Simply something that is going to protect your skin from UV rays. That is what you need, and you're good to go. So please remember, in using this, a little bit goes a long way. You can use this as a spot treatment as well, and of course the scrub is specifically for that. You can use the scrub on your body, on your yes, people use it for their inner thighs, knees, elbows, underarms, neck, any place where there's darkness that you are trying to get rid of. But again, be sure to patch test and proceed with caution. If you are feeling a burning, stinging, tingling sensation, rinse it off. Rinse it off. These things are they work. They're active ingredients in here that work, but you just want to make sure that you are not overdoing it. And I cannot stress enough that a little bit goes a long way. If you are looking for more of an extra strength, something that is going to work a little more quickly, then I would tap into the one here. And if you are looking for a mild product because you have more sensitive skin, then here, this one is available. It is fragrance free, but still amazing. Amazing. I cannot stress that enough. Put it all over your body or on those specific dark areas, and rinse off after maybe 3 minutes or so. Maybe 3 minutes. You'll start to feel a little bit of a tingle, or before then, just rinse it off. You're good. It doesn't even have to be 5 minutes. How you can make this even stretch, I would say go in with your regular soap bar, and then to treat those areas that you are trying to lighten, go in with your Kojic acid soap. The real Kojic acid ultimate illuminating bar. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Thanks for rocking with me. I see y'all joining the squad. Definitely keep joining. I appreciate you. Stay tapped in. A lot of information, if you don't have time to watch my longer videos, is in my shorts as well. So you can see the products that are available, what I'm working with, what I'm doing, a little motivation for the day, a little song to make you smile or give you a little pick-me-up. I'm trying to keep y'all motivated as well, and I'm going to actually start talking more motivational. You know what I mean? More motivational words. Things that will keep us encouraged and keep us going, because guess what? It's hard out here, but we can do it. You can do it. Okay? And before I go, I must say, dear God, dear Lord, dear universe, thank you. I'm totally grateful, totally humbled, and totally open to something amazing coming my way today. I attract what I want effortlessly, and what God has for me, it is for me. What God has for you, it is for you. What God has for us, it is for us. Do not forget that. Don't let anybody steal your joy, and don't steal anybody else's. Okay? Stay blessed. Stay tapped in. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll holla. Peace.